Advantech is a very well-established name in the field of medical IT communication systems within hospitals. I'm very fortunate to be joined by Arndt Schallenvik. He's the channel manager for digital healthcare in Northern Europe. Arndt, please tell us, what is today's state of the art in healthcare communication systems?
We need to digitalize more. That means much more, or many more medical certified panel PCs, which we are producing. And next to that, we are also producing medical certified tablets to make sure, for example, that the bedside related processes like medication dispensing, blood transfusion, parameter registration are all done in a digital way and directly sent to the electronic health record system.
And what does this mean for practitioners, for doctors and nurses? What are they looking for in systems?
We need to provide them with HMI systems, for example, the all-in-one touch computers, which vary from 10-inch to 24-inch. These are installed in patient wards, but also in intensive cares, like for example. And we also need to provide the caregivers with medical certified tablets. So not like the iPad or consumer tablets, but more the medical certified tablets.
I know it's a difficult question. I'm going to ask it anyway. Where do you see the field 2, 3, 5 years down the line?
Many hospitals are still working with paper documentation. And paper increase risk on failures. So we need to decrease the risk on that. And that can only be done in a digital way. So what I foresee is that everything will be done more digital and that all paper documentation will disappear.
Now, if I were a patient in a hospital that was supplied by Advantech, would I be dealing with your products and see your name? Is that how you work?
No, not really. We are also working a lot with partners and we do a lot of OEM solutions. But for that matter, I think it's better that you speak to my colleague Renier.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Renier Medel, Senior Sales Director of Medical Equipment in Europe. We've been asked to talk to you about OEM with Advantech. For example, what are you demonstrating here at the show?
Right. So behind me is an open frame all-in-one PC used by our customers for ultrasound and endoscopy panel PC. They use it as a building block in their own equipment. Like we have behind me, the all-in-one PC from Advantech. It is an all-in-one complete PC and used by our hospitals.
What stage of the development process is the appropriate time to, say, call you at Advantech?
Yeah, this process takes a while. They start with development, and before they have their final product ready and go to the market with all the certification to sell the product into the market, it takes 2 years to 3 years for their volume start.
Now with consumer electronics, most people expect a new mobile every 2 years because of updates or you break it. In the medical field, I'm guessing that's not going to be acceptable. 2 years and out is simply not viable. How do you get around this, provide quality, longevity, but not blow away people with price?
Yeah, Ben, good question. When you look to the medical market, they need longevity, means 5 to 7 years production. You cannot use commercial computers because they are changing every 6 to 9 months. So we use Intel embedded roadmap components, which gives you a 5 to 7 years long life cycle.
Renier Medel, thank you very much for speaking with us today.